Government Boys Senior Secondary School, Shakti Nagar, number 1, Delhi 7. Art Integrate Project of Physics, presented by a student of class 11 under mentorship of our physics teacher Ratanpal sir. Sikkim. Sikkim is a state in northern India. It borders Tibet in the north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west, and West Bengal in the south. Sikkim is also close to India's Siliguri corridor near Bangladesh. It is the least populous and second smallest among the India states. What is physics? Physics science that deals with the structure of matter and the interactions between the fundamental constants of the observable universe. In the broadest sense, physics is concerned with all aspects of nature on both the microscopic and submicroscopic levels. Its scope of study encompasses not only the behavior of the object under the action of given forces but also the nature and origin of the gravitational, electromagnetic, and nuclear force field. Its ultimately objective is the formulation of few comprehensive principles. It brings together and explain all such disparate phenomena. What is physics? Physics is the basic physics science. Until rather recent time, physics and nature philosophy were used interchangeably for the science, whose aim is the discovery and formulation of the fundamental laws of nature. As the modern science develop and become increasingly specialized, physics come to denote that part of the physics science not included in astronomy, chemistry, geology, and engineering. Physics play an important role in the all natural science, however, and all such fields have branches in which physics laws and measurement receive a special emphasis bearing such names as astrophysics, geophysics, biophysics, and even physiophysics. Physics can at base be defined as the science of matter, motion, and energy. Its law and typically expressed with economy and precision in the language of the mathematics. Both experiment the observation of phenomena under conditions that are controlled as precisely as possible, and theory the formulation of the unified conceptual framework play essential and the complementary roles in the advancement of the physical experiments result in measurement which are compared with the outcomes predicted by theory. A theory that reliably predicts the result of the experiment to which is the applicable is said to embody a law of physics. However, a law always subject in modification, replacement, and restriction or to a more limited domain if a later experiment makes it necessary. The roles of physics in our modern society. Physics touches every aspect of our lives. It involves the study of matter, energy, their interactions. As such, it is a one area of science that cuts across all other subjects. Other sciences are reliant on these concepts and techniques developed through physics. Other disciplines such as chemistry, agriculture, environmental, and biological science use the laws of physics to better understand the nature of their own studies. Physics focus on the general nature of nature world, generally through a mathematical analysis. Opportunity for physics. The physics technology develop of the last century have, of course, come with the price tag. In particular, our use of the earth as finite resource triggered by the unstable demands of the world as increasing population as escalated managing these resources without deploying them for good. A concept known as suitable development is one of the most urgent challenge we face today. The Millennium Development Goals are series of ambitious target that UN members agreed to reach by 2015, provide a clear vision for suitable development. They include, for example, a 50% cut of the number of people who not have suitable access of safe drinking water, as well as a target for reduce poverty and improve public health care. Suspension bridge. Singahore Bridge in Sikkim. The suspension bridge is one where cables, ropes, and Chinese are struck across the river or whatever the obstacle is. The deck is suspended from this cable. Modern suspension bridge have two tall tower which the cable are stuck from the towers. Support the majority of the rods as weight. Comprehension. The force of the compression pushes down on the bridge as a deck, but because it is the suspended roadway, the cable transfers the compression to the tower, which dissipates compress directly into the earth. Tension. The supporting cable running between the two anchorages are literally stretched from the weight of the bridge as they run across to anchorage. The anchorage are also under tension, but since they are held firmly to the earth, the tension the experiment is displayed. Suspension bridge. Suspension bridge are the strong due to their steel and geometry. Tension is the mainly action upon the bridge, and the force pulling it apart greater than the force compression it. When under tension, a steel is the very strong material that can sustain the suspension tension. So steel cable are the typical choice for bridge con- construction. The bridge are supported by towers, which is under compression that are made of steel and sit on kind constraint piers. Electricity consumption in Sikkim. Fundamental of the power energy sector in Sikkim was laid on to 27th May 1927 with the comprising of first micro hydel project at Ranikhala near Gangotak. With the installed capacity of the 500 kilowatt, Sikkim consumption of the electricity per capita was at level of 687 kilowatt hour in 2016, up from 685 kilowatt hour previous year. That is a change of 0.24. You may see in this graph. During the era, activity under power sector in Sikkim were not at all significance till the year 1954. Operation and maintenance of the power supply system were managed with the help of foreman and an electrician under the supervision of the Sikkim Public Works Department. In the year 1957, keeping in view of growth demand for electricity and as a assembly measure, a diesel power house was established and the compressed at Gangotak with the capacity of 257 kilowatt. The then Prime Minister of India, Lata Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, inaugurated on October in 1958. Following the develop, one more 150 kilowatt Skoda diesel generated with was added in this diesel powerhouse. The year 1974 witnessed as an important historical event. Sikkim, following a political upheaval, Sikkim joined the mainstream of the Indian Union on May 19, 1975 as the second state of India. The Energy and Power Department of the Sikkim is engaged in the generation of the electrical, its transmission to various load and centers, and finally distribution to the consumers of all categories. As a whole, the department is responsible for the development of the power project in the state in the order to meet the ever growing requirement and the arise revenue from there. Now with the liberalized power policy, Sikkim is the poised to gain in a big way. Daylight in Sikkim. Longitude and latitude. Delhi and Sikkim. The latitude of the New Delhi, Delhi in India 28.64, and the Longitude is 77.21. New Delhi. Delhi, India is located at India with the GPS coordinates of 28 degree, and Sikkim. The latitude and longitude coordinate are 27.33 and 88.60 respectively. The GPS coordinate of Gangottak, Sikkim are 27 and 88.54 E. Soil. Delhi. The Delhi region, which is the northmost extension of the Aravalli Mountains, consists of the quartz rocks and extends the southern part of the territory of western bank of Yamuna. Sikkim. The hills of the Sikkim mainly consist of genus and schist, which weather to produce generally poor and shallow brown clay soils. The soils is coarse with large concentrations of iron oxide. It ranges from neutral to acid and it's lacking in organic and minerals nutrients. Climate. Delhi. The climate of Delhi are overlap between monsoon influenced humid subtropical and semi arid with high variation between summer and winter temperature and precipitation. precipitation. Average rainfall in about 78.3 millimeters of rain. Extremely temperature have ranged from 2.2 degrees Celsius to 48.4 degrees Celsius. In Sikkim. Sikkim has climate range from subtropical in the south of the tundra in the northmost of the inhabited region of the Sikkim. Experiment at temperature climate with the temperature seldom exceeded 28 degrees Celsius. In summer, average annual temperature for most of Sikkim around is the 18 degrees Celsius. Air quality index AQI. What is AQI? Air quality index AQI is the index of the reporting air quality on a daily basis. It is a measure of how air polluted affected one as health with a short time period. The purpose of the AQI is the help people know how local air quality impact the health. Ground level ozone, particle pollution, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. The higher of AQI value, greater level of air pollution and the greater the health concentrates. The concept of AQI has been widely used in mainly developed countries for over the last three decades. AQI quality disseminate air quality information in real time. How AQI is calculated? Different countries use different point scale of report air quality. For instance, the United States use a 500 point scale, wherein rating between 0 and 50 is considered good. Rating between 301 and 500 range in deemed hazardous. India to follow that the 500 point scale. Every day monitor record concentration of the major pollution. This raw measurement are converted into the separate AQI value for each pollutant using standard formula developed by EPI. The highest of this AQI value are reported as the AQI value that day. Categories: good 0 to 50, minimal impact. Satisfactory 51 to 100 may cause minor breathing difficulty in sensitive people. Modern polluted 101 to 100 may cause breathing difficult. 201 to 300 may cause breathing difficult in people. On explosive and discomfort to people with a heart disease. Very poor 301 to 400 may cause respiratory entrance in the people or prolonged expanse. Effect may be more pronounced in people with lungs and heart disease. That is all. Thank you. My name is Manik. Thank you for watching my presentation.